to day 6 of Vlogmas. We're halfway there. I'm so proud of myself. I feel like I didn't think I'd actually go through this. I was like, I'm probably gonna change all the titles. But I feel like I'm doing it and I'm really proud of myself. And today we're making brownies. We're going to my dad's side of the family's Christmas and I'm making a dessert. So I'm gonna make some brownies to take over. And I'm gonna try and film on my Canon today, which I'm really excited. I'm gonna set it up and try and be like super professional. I don't know. My computer is probably not even gonna be able to handle it, but we'll figure it out. My computer, if you don't know, I have a MacBook Air and it's about 7, almost 7. In 2 months it'll be 7, and I love that computer with all my heart, but it's starting to like the battery, which the battery's cheap to replace, but my storage is kind of going. So I'm gonna try, I think I'm gonna order one of those passport things and put everything on it over onto one of those because I still want to use the computer. My goal is to be able to get at least another 2 years out of it, or 1 full year. Yeah, I don't plan on buying a new one until maybe 2023 is my goal. So yeah, and like I've been really good with the battery and everything. Like I don't overcharge it and everything like that. So I love that computer, so I'm gonna try and keep it as long as I possibly can. So I think getting an external hard drive would help a lot. But yeah, so right now I just prepped my skin for makeup. I just have to do my primer, which is right here. And then today's foundation's a little dark for me, but I just ordered more, so it's coming tomorrow. But I use this one, CoverGirl. And I'm not sure, I think I ordered Maybelline this time, so I ordered the Maybelline True Match, or no, Maybelline Fit Me, because I haven't had it in a while. I had this one was good. I just had to mix it with the CoverGirl one, just because I like the coverage of it better. This is my favorite one. The L'Oreal Infallible is my favorite foundation, but they were sold out of my shades, so we're gonna go with Maybelline. But yeah, so I'm excited to make brownies with you. I'm gonna have the recipe linked down below. It's a recipe I always use. I do modify a tiny bit, but we'll get into that when I start baking. But yeah, so when you see me again, I'll be looking glam. Not really glam, but looking pretty. I just finished my makeup for today. As you can, I don't know, actually blended kind of nice. My face is very pale against the rest of my body because it looks like a really good match now that I'm looking at it. But now I need to brush the hair. And then I need to go clean up my kitchen so I can start baking. Yay, and Dane went out Christmas shopping, so it's just me and the dogs. And then I need to find something to wear. And that is, I may have spent $200 on my hair, like $250, but I only do that, like I don't do it constantly, so this is only like a once every 2 year kind of thing, and I feel like it looks so good. Anyway, especially when I brush it out, it looks really good. And this is just partial highlights. And yes, I have a lot of hair, so it cost me a lot to get my hair done. Okay, now I just need to go pick out an outfit, and then I will see you guys in the kitchen. A little embarrassing, but my kitchen needs to be cleaned, so I'm gonna clean it really quick. And I actually have to make muffins for tomorrow. We're doing a family brunch with Dane's side, his dad's side as well. So this weekend's dad's side weekend for Christmases. So I need to clean up. Also, this is incorrect. It's like 180 something now. Anyway, I need to clean up the kitchen, and we're gonna make muffins and brownies today because I don't think we're gonna have time to do them later. So we're doing banana muffins for brunch tomorrow. So get ready. Okay, here we go. And And that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching day 6 of Vlogmas. Sorry there wasn't much to vlog. I was very concentrated on my baking that I forgot to vlog some of it, but I showed you some clips. I'm gonna have my brownie and banana bread recipe down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.